Kini ang istasyon nga maugalaw sa tanan, andan maminaw sa katawhan. RTN DXKO Radio, preso sa 68 sa dial sa inyong radyo. Ang RTN DXKO Radyo Ronda, sakop sa KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Been listening to RPN DXKO, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Radio Philippines Network Incorporated, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission under permit number BSD-0331. Our studios and offices are located at Villa Ernesto Subdivision Phase 1, Gusa Highway, Cagayan de Oro City, with a transmitter at Sitio Baloy, Barangay Tablon, this city. DXKO operates from 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening with a power of 10,000 watts at 1368 kilohertz on your AM band. DXKO is maintained and operated by the following first-class radio telephone operators, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Ermelo Banzon, Chief Technician; Eddie Haliasco, Crisostomo Simini, Alan Villaro, and Ronnie Derecho. In behalf of the management and staff of RPN DXKO, we now bid you a pleasant good night. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.